How Apple's Journal app changed my life. Apple's Journal app quietly transforms lives by reducing the friction of daily reflection, right? By integrating seamlessly into your ecosystem, it lowers the barrier to processing emotions and tracking personal growth through smart, contextual suggestions, proving that consistent mindfulness doesn't require a dedicated pen and paper. So, first, the context aware journaling suggestions. Instead of staring at a blank page, the app intelligently surfaces personalized writing prompts based on your day. So, they have moments, health and work, reflection prompts. The moment it suggests entries based on your recent photos, locations, music, and messages. Health and work, it pulls in activity data, workout summaries from your Apple Watch, and reflections to help track your daily wellness. Lastly, the reflection prompt. They have built-in prompts like think about an activity that brings you joy, help guide your thoughts if you need inspiration. The multi-format input. Gone are the days when journaling meant just typing text. The app offers a relaxed, adaptable approach. It can dictate your thoughts or record basically audio that the app transcribes for you. On the iPad, Apple Pencil support creates a spacious digital notebook feel. They have, you can easily drop photos, videos, and map locations directly into your entries to preserve in memories. Lastly, they have the focus, privacy, and optimization. Your entries are end-to-end encrypted and secure behind Face ID or Touch ID, ensuring your innermost thoughts stay completely private. You create custom folders or journals, for example, personal diary, work log, or project ideation space. You start a thought on your iPhone during your commute and seamlessly pick it up later via iPhone mirroring on your Mac or directly on your iPad. So, also they have regular reflection. So, the regular reflection is a proven tool for processing emotions, lowering stress, and boosting overall well-being. The app accommodates this by tracking weekly rather than just daily streaks, fostering a healthy habit without the guilt of perfectionism. So, consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel, and start your